guys, so welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are seeing this face, my name is Ugochukwu and Ezinne, and you are highly welcome. For my returning subscribers, I don't need to talk too much. You guys are my real G. I love you, love you, love you, love you guys. So today I will be unboxing this beauty here. I call it beauty because it's so beautiful on the carton. The drawing is so beautiful. I haven't unboxed it before, so there are two here. There are two. This is one and this is two. So I actually ordered for two, and I told the lady to give me orange and green. So I ordered this stuff, the pot and the huge water bottle, through a friend that does importation business. So I ordered it, and yeah, we have been patient waiting for it, and it finally landed. So I decided to unbox it with you guys so that we see if it's worth having, because I already love it through the pictures. I didn't see anywhere it's written pressure pots. It might be doing the work, but I was expecting to see it written on the carton, pressure pots. You understand? You can see what is written there, totipotent pot. So without wasting much time, let's get into the unboxing. Yeah. This is beautiful. It looks like pumpkin fruit. This is beautiful. Okay. I think this is the manual for fixing it. Yeah, so we are going to fix it. Actually, this is the handle, so we are going to fix it. You can see the process, the steps, and this after fixing, and this is how it looks like after fixing. So I'm going to pause this video now and read the instructions so that we'll be able to fix it. I don't want to make mistakes, okay? Done fixing. Yeah. It's a non-stick. I don't know where this is going. This now. Why am I even showing this thing? This thing is doing me lefty. Look at it. It's a nail. Nail. And the screw nail, yes. And this beautiful stuff. Yeah. So we look for where it's going to be. So yeah. this is it, and this we go into here this way. Then I'm going to lose this hand again. I have to fix this before. What did I even read? You should ask me what I read from this thing, and I'm here making mistakes. So I'm going to pause it and loosen this and fix it again, okay? So yeah, this is it. Wow, it's quite tight. Once closed, it locks itself. So that's what I noticed. And yeah, you also get to lock it with the handle. This thing at the handle part, you lock it. And even apart from that, I noticed that it's quite hard to open once it's closed. So I just hope it will serve me like pressure pot, as it said, because I bought a pressure pot before, but not non-stick. I bought a pressure pot before and it didn't serve me. Don't ask me what happened. It didn't serve me. This one is water bottle. This is actually 3.3 liters. Yes, this is 3.3 liters water bottle. I wanted something that I would use to control or to monitor how I take water in a day. So that was why I went for it. I actually ordered for the one of 2-point-something liters, since they said we should drink at least 2 liters of water in a day. So I went for the one of 2-point-something liters, and something happened. She said that it wasn't complete, so she had to give me this, and that one is 3 in 1. Meanwhile, this one is usually 4 in 1, but I had to pick 3 from this one. So this is it. Let's open. First of all, I love the purple down here, and yeah, this is it. The straw, I think, is for this one, and yeah, it's open and it has straw where you fix and close. So in here you have another one that you can, ta-da! So this is the smallest one. Like, I don't even know what I can do with this small thing. This is a 3 ml. This is 3 ml. 300 ml, sorry. This is 300 ml. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. It's so tiny. I think the work is filling, maybe I think this one's work is just for you to fill in water, put it in your freezer to block, then you now cover it and put it inside here. I don't know, I'm just but that's how it feels like. But you can actually use it for drinking water, maybe for a baby or anything. I don't know, anything. You can even use it and store something, because it's too tiny to be water for an adult. So for the big size, when covered, you can take it like this, filling water for a family picnic or for your own personal picnic, anything. So this one, you must use cup. You must use cup with this. If you are going with people, if you are using it with people, you must use cup, because it doesn't have straw. And yeah, that's how to unlock it. It has this clip here, this orange clip. You unlock it like this way and press it. Yeah, it's open. So that's it for this unboxing video, guys. If you love something like this, let me know in the comment section, and let me also know what you think about this my new pot. This is my new pot. I just hope and pray for me so that it will serve, okay? Just pray. So guys, no need unboxing this one for now because it's the same thing that is inside it. No need. Let me just take thumbnail. This thumbnail of a thing is not always easy. You just be posing here and there, changing styles as if you want to take a better picture, a good picture. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to stay safe out there. See you in my next video. Bye.